A recent earthquake measuring 4.1 on the Richter scale struck near Jubail, Saudi Arabia, at 2:36 a.m. on April 4, 2025. The quake was located 38 kilometers northeast of the city and occurred at a depth of 10 kilometers. Dr.
Abdullah Al-Masnad, a climate expert, noted that this tremor, classified as light, was felt clearly by residents and could move lightweight objects. Such earthquakes, about 6,200 of which occur annually, are considered part of natural seismic activity in the region. Stay informed about seismic events in your area